How to fix PC freezes randomly. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first you need to open your power and sleep settings, and you can do that by typing it in the search bar here and then clicking on open. So once you're here, go ahead and click on additional power settings, and you'll see right now it's unbalanced, so we want to make it in high performance. So click on change plan settings. Go ahead and click on change advanced power settings, and then click on this arrow right here, and then you should see the option of high performance. So if you're not seeing it, what you can do is click on create a power plan, and then you can name your power, and then click on this high performance right here, and then click on next. So you can customize a power plan as well, and you can just do that by clicking on change plan settings, and you can see here you can customize when you want to turn off the display and when you want to put the computer to sleep. So once you've made the changes, make sure to click on save changes. So another thing that you can do is add or remove programs. So go ahead and type add or remove programs at this search bar right here. So you'll see it pops up. Go ahead and click on open. So all the apps and features that you have will be listed here. So go ahead and uninstall any of the apps that you're not using, and you can just click on it and then click on uninstall. So do this for all of the apps that you're not using. So another thing you can do is remove junk files. So there are 4 ways that you can remove your junk files. So go ahead and click on Window and R button and then type temp and click on OK. Go ahead and click on continue. So go ahead and delete all the files that are listed here. So you can select one of the files and then click on Ctrl A and then click on Shift Delete. So another way you can delete junk files is go ahead and click on Window and R button again, and then go ahead and type %temp % and then click on OK. So these are also all the junk files. So go ahead and do the same and delete all the files that are listed here. So another thing you can do is click on Window and R again. Go ahead and type prefetch and then click on OK. So click on continue to permanently get access to this folder, and then delete all the files that are listed here. So another thing you can do is click Window and R again and then type clean mgr and click on OK. So select the drive that you want to clean up. So you can do it for each individual drive and then click on OK. So go ahead and take all of these files, and then once you delete all of these files, you'll be able to gain 73.2 MB and then click on OK. So if this still isn't working, you can right click here and go to Task Manager. Make sure you're on the Startup app and disable all of the apps that you don't want at the startup. So go ahead and disable all the unimportant apps, and you can do that by right clicking on it and clicking on Disable. So another thing you can do is click on Window and R again and type services.msc and click on OK. So come down to sysmain right here and right click on it and click on Properties. So make sure the startup type is disabled, so click on this and then select Disabled right here, and then click on Apply and then click on OK. So this is how to fix PC freezes randomly. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.